The chemistry of love. At the end of the day, it's the five elements that we subsist within. And I repeat that the five elements we subsist within, which are the earth where I'm standing on, the sky that I'm looking up at, the air that I'm breathing, fire in times of turmoil, and water that we drink to live. These are the five elements that drive life. And the combustion of these five elements and the chemistry that takes place is what makes life beautiful. We cry, we laugh, we walk, we stand on our head, we get worried, or we smile. These are all chemistry driven emotions. And the most powerful emotion on this planet, in this world, is love. It is love which will drive you to the other end of the world in order to meet someone or to go for someone. It is love which will drive you, as opposed to anger, which is again an emotion, or hatred. Love will take you beyond all frontiers and will bring people closer to you within your family, in your interpersonal relationships, in your business. You exude love, and people notice that. What a lovely person! What a loving person! Comforting, the warmth that love will bring, the chemistry of love will drive you forward, and you must show that. You must bring it out, so people will very easily feel. They feel your love. They'll feel your anger. They'll feel your hatred. They'll see it from your eyes. Even if you don't speak, the warmth will be felt. That is going to make the difference. Out of all the emotions, this is the most powerful. And if you have the love, then you know what you're doing. Your interpersonal relationship, your sex will see no bounds or no boundaries. You'll be able to overcome anything and everything that's in your path. These five elements are there, they're free: the earth, the air, the water, the sky, and fire. They're free for all. You don't have to buy them, you don't have to go hunting for them, just harness them. The chemistry is already inside your body. The combustion engine is working all the time. Make it work for you. Make it work for you in a way that will lift you up along with your partner, along with your husband, your wife, your children, and take you places. It's wonderful. And you can do it for free. Just think about it and get going. Go for it.